Hi everyone! Today we're going to make sublimation kitchen towels using one of my free designs, and it has a really rich color, and all the design is made from Canva, and you can get it for free. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Okay, so to make your sublimation kitchen towels, you're going to need a sublimation blank, which is a microfiber waffle weaved kitchen towel, sublimation design, pro spray, a free Canva account, and your other standard equipment like your sublimation printer, press, and paper. See the video description for the full materials list. Step 1 is to go to the description and copy the link for the free sublimation design. Okay, so once you grab the link for the free design for my website, you want to go to your Canva account and paste the link up there, click enter, and it'll take you to this free design. And it's already formatted for an 8.5 by 14 sublimation paper, and you get two designs in one sheet. So you have this one, and then you also have this one. So what you want to do is click on share, download, and you want this to be in the PDF print format. That's because it says right there, best for printing. It has a pretty good color settings for sublimation, so click PDF print. You want to flatten it so it's not a big giant file. And for the color profile, leave it as RGB. And then click download, and it'll download this. So once you have the design downloaded, you want to send it to your printer. So click File, Print, and today I'm using my EcoTank ET-2400 converted for sublimation with my printer's Jack ink. The settings I have here already saved as a preset. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can see the exact settings. So for paper size, I'm gonna change it to 8.5 by 14. For scale, I want to make sure it's 100%, and that's it. I'm gonna send it to my printer. So I'm using my Epson EcoTank ET-2400 converted for sublimation, and I'll leave a link in the description for a full review on how to convert it, the type of ink I used, and printer settings too. So now you have your printed design. What you want to do is tear around the whole design just so you don't end up with pressed lines after you press the kitchen towel. So in the end, what you want is a soft feathered edge instead of a hard straight line. And now you're ready to press your design. So now it's time to heat press your design. The first thing you're going to do is line the bottom of your heat press with butcher paper, and then lay your sublimation towel straight. Make sure it's right underneath the heat platen, and then you want to lint roll. This is important to keep those blue threads from showing up after you heat press it. So lint roll as much as you can. The next step is to pre-press your kitchen towel to remove all the moisture. So cover it with butcher paper and pre-press it for about 7 seconds. Now line up your design in the middle. You can use a adhesive spray to make sure it doesn't move. Then cover it with butcher paper and press it for 45 seconds with a very light pressure. Now carefully remove the butcher paper without moving the design right underneath it. Using a pair of tweezers, quickly lift up the sublimation print off the towel and then get your lint roll again and quickly go over the design to fluff up the flattened fibers. And now it's time to press the second design. So line up the base with butcher paper, then line up your sublimation towel and lint roll it. And then pre-press for about 7 seconds. Line up your design, cover it with butcher paper, and press it for about 45 seconds. Then carefully remove the butcher paper off the sublimation print, and then use your tweezers to quickly lift off the printed design. Then lint roll again to fluff up the flattened fibers, and then you're done. And here's a close-up look at your sublimated kitchen towels. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. Leave a comment if you have any questions.